Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. First of all, हैप्पी नवरात्रास आप सबके शायद फास्टिंग भी हो. सो एनीवेज इट्स डे 11 and I'm feeling lighter. I can say that. I don't know how much I have lost in these couple of days, but losing weight is not going to justify the efforts, right? So overall I'm here to improve my health parameters, because actually in the starting I did not share any report, my medical report. I actually had gone through various tests, body tests, whole body checkup, and everything went upside down. Everything was showing in bold. I would say 90 or 80 90% of my report. So this was main reason to start back again. I know I was neglecting it from very long, but anyways there I durast hai. So it's day 11. Everything is on point, be it my diet, be it my training, be it my hydration, but yeah, I need to work a bit on sleep. I'm not sure why I'm not getting proper rest during nights. I don't take proper sleep. मुझे नींद नहीं आती. I don't know. So जनरली डे टाइम पे मैं सोता हूँ, और उसकी वजह से ज़्यादा मेरी स्लीप हैम्पर हो रही है. बट एनीवेज आई विल डेफिनेटली वर्क ऑन दैट. And I just want to request you all to please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, I'm not going to stop. This is going to be till day 120 and beyond that. I have few plans even post 120 days, but let's see. It's gonna be challenge for me for sure to take it to push it towards these 120 days. It's gonna be a challenge for me for sure, because consistency is everything, and being consistent for so long it itself is a task for me. I'm not going to sugarcoat things. मुश्किल होता है मेरे लिए चीज़ों को ऊपर लेके जाना, but with full focus, and definitely this challenges definitely pushing me towards my goal. And as I told you, it's not about building six pack, or it's gonna be pie product maybe, but it's more about improving my health and the mental condition or stress which I have been facing from past almost 1 year now. So I'm trying to get rid of that. But I just want to share again, just request you again, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is the Aesthetic Traveler. I'm gonna drop in the link as well on this video. So please go ahead and subscribe to it. Do comments if you feel I need something, I can improve something in those reels or maybe videos. Please share your inputs. I'm gonna work on that. I will take it humbly, and I'm gonna work on that. But I need your support. Please give me your support. And thank you so much for being there. And special thanks to few people. I'm not gonna name them. One is not in India. She's very close to me, and one is my little sister. So thank you for everything, right? So that's it. I know it's बहुत लंबी रील हो गई और ये में भी वीडियो हो गई है, बट थैंक यू सो मच. साइनिंग ऑफ डे 11. बाय बाय, टेक केयर. जय माता दी.